Hello and welcome to Access All Areas. I'm Martyn Sibley and today I'm in sunny Catalunya. Catalonia is now a leading accessible tourist destination with 1,300 resources with facilities for disabled people, limited mobility or special needs. In recent years, Catalonia has worked hard to remove architectural and communication barriers to make the major tourist attractions accessible for all. More and more initiatives in Catalonia guarantee cultural tourism is accessible to all. People with sensory impairments have also been taken into account. In Catalunya's museums, as well as offering audio guides in several languages, there are now tactile models of much of Gaudi's work. Another unique attraction, easily reached by public transport, is La Casa Mila La Pedrera. It is now fully accessible for disabled people, and especially people with visual impairments. The accessibility runs naturally throughout its design. There's loads of tactile objects to really give that true experience of the materials and the architecture. If you're looking for some real adventure, Catalonia has many activities adapted for disabled people, like this. Whether you want to try skiing, sailing, diving, horse riding, cycling, hiking, canoeing, or even hot air ballooning, nobody here is excluded for reasons of accessibility. After a good flight, as long as you landed safely, it's time to crack open a bottle of bubbly. For those who love wine, there are several wineries in the Penedès area, like Jean Leon Cellar, which are totally accessible. Many beaches on the Catalan coast also have the equipment necessary for everyone to be able to enjoy the sea. Today, Catalonia has 25 fabulous destinations offering fully adapted activities and is working hard to be fully adapted in the near future, making it the perfect accessible tourist destination. See you next time on Access All Areas.